Ever wondered why the stock market is often compared to a roller coaster ride? Well, fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the intriguing world of stocks and shares. At its core, the stock market is a marketplace for buyers and sellers. It's where companies raise capital by selling shares, and investors purchase those shares with the hope of making a profit. The stock market operates on the principle of supply and demand, where the price of a stock rises when demand exceeds supply and falls when supply exceeds demand. So, how exactly does it work? Imagine a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits, vegetables, or other goods, the commodities are shares of public companies. Each share represents a tiny ownership stake in a company. When you buy a share, you're essentially betting on that company's future success. Companies issue shares to raise money. They might use this capital to fund research and development, expand operations, or pay off debt. In return, shareholders often receive a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividends. Investors buy and sell shares through stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. The price of each share fluctuates throughout the trading day, driven by the economic principle of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. If more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price goes down. The stock market is also influenced by broader economic factors, from interest rates and inflation to political events and natural disasters. These factors can cause market volatility, leading to those sharp price swings that can feel much like a roller coaster ride. Now, let's recap the key points we've covered. The stock market is a marketplace for buying and selling shares of public companies. Companies issue shares to raise capital, and investors buy these shares hoping to make a profit. The price of each share is determined by supply and demand and influenced by various economic factors. Remember, the stock market isn't just for seasoned investors or financial gurus. It's a complex yet fascinating world that's accessible to anyone willing to learn. And while it can be risky, understanding how the stock market works can be the first step towards building a diversified investment portfolio. So the next time you hear about the stock market's highs and lows, you'll have a better understanding of what's behind those numbers. And who knows, maybe you'll be ready to take that roller coaster ride for yourself.